Сковородка загорелась. Арсений дома один. Паниковать, плакать. Да, можно, конечно, но лучше что сделать? Попытаться что-то исправить. Он же все-таки мужчина. Поэтому Арсений берет сковородку. Крышку. Татарин Арсений, извиняюсь. Крышку берет. Он берет ее и, как мужчина подходит, и закрывает. Закрыл. Уходит немного назад. Паники нет. Арсений плачет? Нет, конечно. И вы не должны плакать. Он закрыл крышку. Мы закрыли доступ воздуха. Как вы думаете, пожар потух или нет?
Нет.
Давайте похлопаем Арсению.
Hello.
Hello there. Is everything okay?
Daddy's on the floor.
Your daddy's on the floor. What's happened to daddy?
He fell down.
He fell down? Okay. What's your name, sweetheart?
My name's Jack.
Okay, hello, Zach. How old are you?
I'm 3 years old.
You're 3, okay. Is daddy breathing?
Daddy's laughing. He's pissed. But he's not snowing now.
No? Alright. Do you know if daddy's been unwell?
Daddy has Chinese finger.
Is what, sorry?
It just looks like flowers.
Why doesn't your daddy like flowers?
Cause it's a boo, boo.
Is your daddy allergic to bees? Has he been stung?
Daddy's allergic to bees.
Okay,
He has
okay.
fuzzy fever.
Do you know what to do when your dad has been stung by a bee?
Daddy told me.
He showed you?
For me, go.
Okay, good, good.
I'm sad.
It's okay, Zach. You've been a really brave boy so far. I need you to get Daddy that needle and it will make him feel better. Can you do that for me? Zach?
Daddy's awake. Daddy's awake.
That's good to hear. Zach, can you hear me? Can you put Daddy on the phone?